guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alex from Alex's Innovations. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a leaf chevron sort of bracelet. It's like a leaf, but it also looks like a braid a little bit, so it's really cute. First, you want to select 3 colors. I have chosen yellow, purple, and green. And for each color, you're going to cut 2 strings, and each one should be about 2 meters long. So right now I have 6 strings, each one is about 2 meters long, and I have 2 of each of 3 colors. So then fold your strings in half, so each half is about 1 meter, and then at the top, make a little loop. And this is how you're going to be putting on your bracelet, so it's important that you make this loop big enough to put string through. Then attach this loop to your clipboard, and then separate your strings by bundling them into colors. Okay, I'm going to start by putting this green bundle all the way on the right. We're going to leave that alone for a while. And then we're going to set this yellow and purple up by alternating. So we're going to do yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. And it doesn't have to be super neat right now because once we knot everything, it will be a lot neater. So start by taking 1 yellow string and 1 purple string that are closest to the middle. And then with the yellow string on the left, you're going to do a double forward knot over the purple string. Then put this yellow string off to the side. Then take another yellow and purple string while still holding onto the purple string you just knotted over. And with the next yellow string, you're going to do 1 double forward knot over the new purple string, and then 1 double forward knot over the purple string you just knotted over. Then put that yellow string off to the side, and keep holding on to these 2 purple strings. Then take another set of yellow and purple, and then with the yellow once again, do a double forward knot over the purple string you just picked up, and then do double forward knots over each of the 2 purple strings you just knotted with. And put this yellow string off to the side when you're done with it. Finally, with this last yellow string, you're going to do a double forward knot over the last purple string, and then a double forward knot over each of the 3 remaining purple strings. So now separate your strings, so put the purple strings all the way to the left, and then take your green strings and your yellow strings and put those in the center. Now take one of your green strings, and you're going to do 4 double backward knots, 1 over each of the yellow strings you just knotted with. And then put that green string to the left. Then take another green string and do the same thing. Do 4 double backward knots, 1 over each of the yellow strings. Alright, and then you're going to repeat this with each of the 2 remaining green strings. You're going to do 4 double backward knots, 1 over each of the yellow strings. Now put the yellow strings all the way to the right, and we're going to be working with the purple strings now. So take the purple string that's closest to the center, and you are going to do 4 double forward knots, 1 over each of the green strings. Take the next closest purple string to the center and do the same thing. Do 4 double forward knots, one over each of the green threads. Then with the remaining 2, do the exact same thing. Do 4 double forward knots over the next 4 green threads. Okay, now put these green threads to the left, and we're going to be working with the yellow threads, knotting over the purple threads now. So take the yellow thread that's closest to the center and do 4 double backward knots over each of the purple threads. With the second yellow thread, do the same thing. Make sure you don't pull too tightly because you want that excess string to stay curved. And then repeat with the last 2 yellow strings. Okay, now put the purple strings to the right, and now we'll be working with the green strings. So take the innermost green string and do 4 double forward knots over each of the yellow strings. Alright, now put these yellow strings off to the left, and we're going to do the same thing. And this pretty much just repeats from here So you can just go back to where I first show you the beginning of the sequence, and you can just continue from there. Don't forget to come back when you've reached the end of the bracelet so I can show you how to knot it and then braid it. Alright, so once you've made your bracelet as long as you want, then at the end you're just going to make this into an overhand knot, and then split the remaining strings into 2 separate bundles, and then each of those bundles into 3 separate smaller bundles, and then braid each one, and then you'll be done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to keep the bracelets coming. In addition, if you'd like to see more bracelets, please check out my Instagram at AlexInnovations or check out my website at alexinnovations.weebly.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time!